Hey guys, welcome back to another Cream Form video. In today's video, we're talking about a limited time offer for Black Friday sales, up to $400 off Samsung phones, and of course, another good deal including the iPhone SE for only $30. So let's go ahead and first look at the Black Friday sales, limited time offer only. Get up to $400 off Samsung phones, limited time online only while supplies last. So let's go ahead and take a look. So you can shop phones. Like I said, this is Samsung phones only is what it's saying. So I don't even know why it should be smart enough to filter it, but quick. So here's some of the Samsung phones that you can save. So the A02 S is usually $109, guys, down to $40 with this limited time offer deal that they have. And while supplies last for Black Friday, it was just a couple days, like a day ago. So pretty good deals. The Samsung Galaxy A71 is $430 down to $200, guys. Samsung A12 is $180, $400 off. You get it, of course, for $80. The A32 is $130 off, guys. Usually $280 down to $150. The A51, which is another real good phone, I'll tell you, the A71 is a really good phone. I would definitely recommend it at that price, $200. Really good one. The A51 is another good phone. Like I said, it's $400. You can save $200 off this one. Get it for $200. So instead of $400, you're getting half off. A really good deal. Of course, look at this banger right here, guys. S21, guys, $800 down to $500 or $499.99. Really good, solid phone. Like I said, it's definitely worth getting. Of course, big flagship phone. Look at this. That's why I say up to $400 because they have this big behemoth of a phone. This Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, guys. So you can see it's not even rated yet. I don't even think anybody has really bought it yet. The phone retails for $1,800, but $400. That's where it says up to $400 because, like I said, boom, they have this phone. You got it for $1,400. That's a savings of $400. I don't even know why they have this A21 renewed, so it's like used or whatever, for $130. $70 off. I personally wouldn't get that. A real good one too is the Galaxy S20 FE, $700 retail down to $400, and of course Z Flip, guys. Wow, look at that! You could have got this phone for $600, guys. The phone was $1,000. You could have saved $400 and got it $600. Real good deal and promo on this phone. Really good deal. All retailers are selling it for about $1,000. So down to $400, you're saving $400, you get it for $600. Not bad at all. Now let's go ahead and like I said, I'm gonna make a quick video. I want to waste you guys' time too much. Let's go down to the iPhone SE. So lots of love, less distress. So those were the Samsung phones that I showed you guys, but what about iPhone? So here we go. Here's Mr. iPhone, the iPhone SE. Real good phone, costs $400, guys. Retail, but right now you can get it for $30, $29.99 when you switch to Boost Mobile. So this is if you switch to Boost Mobile, you can get this phone for only $30. A new iPhone looks good on you when you switch. So remember, you have to switch from a competing carrier, guys. Here's some of the this is valid until January 6th. So this sale is going to be basically their Black Friday / Christmas. It's going to be until January 6th, 2022, while supplies last. That's a big thing, while supplies last. Limited one device per line, available for new customers only. Does require a port in and activation on the $60 Boost Unlimited Plus plan. So you have to bring your number over from a competing carrier that's not Sprint related. And you can bring your number over, put it on a $60 plan, and you can get this phone for $30. So it says excludes ports from Sprint related carriers in select markets, excludes boostmobile.com or national retailers. Discount applies towards phone purchase, no cashback, credit, or rainy check. Select models only, no substitutes. Selection and availability may vary by retailers. So not all Boost Mobile stores might carry this. Just know that some of the stores might. So really good for Christmas. Like I said, really good pricing, guys. For $30, it's unbeatable. Really good price as well for Black Friday, of course. Even though just passed. It's probably going to be their Cyber Monday deal as well, but who knows? We'll see what they have to offer. But not too bad, guys. 5 minutes of your time, I think, well spent, right? So let me know in the comments below what phone you're thinking about getting. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. More phones, videos, and discounts coming your way. If you want to support the channel, check it out at Honey. Be in the description below. Thank you.